What's up, everyone? I'm Cara. And wow, the last 24 hours at Davos have been absolutely historic for crypto. Trump spoke. Brad Garlinghouse dropped bombshells. And XRP? It's center stage with the world's most powerful people. This is massive. Let's go. First, President Trump addressed the World Economic Forum in Davos on January 21st, and he made crypto a centerpiece of his speech. Trump said, quote, "To unleash innovation and savings and financing, I'm also working to ensure America remains the crypto capital of the world." He mentioned signing the Genius Act last year and said, "Congress is working on new crypto legislation, quote, which I hope to sign very soon, unlocking new pathways for Americans to reach financial freedom." This is the President of the United States at Davos, in front of global leaders and CEOs, declaring America the crypto capital. This isn't side commentary, this is official policy. And get this, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent confirmed the U.S. has stopped selling Bitcoin and is adding all seized Bitcoin to the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. The Trump administration's AI and crypto czar David Sachs was at Davos. This is a PRO crypto cabinet at the world's most important economic summit. The Genius Act that Trump signed? Brad Garlinghouse said it will help stablecoins, quote, scale in a very big way. Regulatory clarity is here. The 4-year siege on crypto? Over. Sources: NPR, DL News, U.S. Treasury. Story 2 is absolutely explosive. Brad Garlinghouse gave a major interview to CNBC at Davos yesterday, and he went on the record with the boldest prediction. Quote, "I'm very bullish, and yes, I'll go on record as saying I think we'll see an all-time high." He said crypto markets will reach all-time highs in 2026. Bitcoin's all-time high was around $126,000 in October. Brad is predicting we break that in 2026. And remember, XRP hit $3.84 in 2018. We're currently at $1.90. That's huge upside to previous highs. But here's what really matters. Brad said major financial institutions showing interest in crypto is a, quote, massive sea change. And he said, "I don't think that's priced into the crypto market as much as I would have expected right now." Think about that. Institutional adoption isn't priced in yet. And Brad appeared on the WEF panel titled, "Is Tokenization the Future?" on January 21st. He sat next to Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, Standard Chartered CEO Bill Winters, and the governor of France's central bank. And Standard Chartered analysts, they predict XRP could reach $8 in 2026 and $12.50 by 2028. That's 320% upside from current prices to their 2026 target. Brad was asked about it and said, quote, "We are a very vested party in what goes on in the XRP ecosystem." Then he said, "In another 5 or 10 years, you're going to see continued, very positive momentum." Sources: CNBC, World Economic Forum. Story 3, Ripple's presence at Davos shows how far crypto has come. They're not just attending, they're sponsoring at the highest level. Ripple sponsored the USA House at Davos, which for the first time ever has been officially recognized by the U.S. State Department as America's official headquarters. And sponsorships for USA House? They cost up to $1 million. Ripple is playing at that level. Ripple is other sponsors at USA House, Microsoft, Pfizer, BlackRock. Ripple is rubbing shoulders with the biggest names in global finance. And BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, who manages $13.5 trillion, opened the World Economic Forum. He's been calling tokenization the next generation of financial markets. He said, quote, "Every stock, every bond, every fund can be tokenized. It will revolutionize investing." BlackRock manages over $100 billion in crypto assets. Their Bitcoin ETF has $62.6 billion in net inflows. Their tokenized money market fund Bidle has $2.8 billion. Fink compared tokenization to the early internet. And Ripple's position? Brad said XRP is a neutral bridge for global trade. With 300 banks and financial institutions across 45 countries on RippleNet, XRP settles transactions in 3 to 5 seconds, negligible fees, and Swift handles $150 trillion annually. Brad has said XRP could handle 14% of that $20 trillion. Brad also appeared at the Crypto Finance Conference in St. Moritz during Davos Week, It's capped at 250 people, family offices, institutional funds, and central bankers only. This is the most exclusive crypto event. Sources: The Crypto Basic, Bitcoinist, MXC News. Let me paint the complete picture. The President of the United States stood at Davos and declared America the crypto capital with new legislation coming soon. Brad Garlinghouse went on CNBC and predicted crypto hits all-time highs in 2026. He said institutional adoption is a massive sea change that isn't priced in yet. Standard Chartered predicts XRP hits $8 this year. That's 320% from current levels. Ripple sponsored USA House for up to $1 million alongside Microsoft, Pfizer, and BlackRock. Brad sat on WEF panels with central bankers and institutional CEOs. BlackRock managing 13.5 trillion is calling tokenization the next internet. They have 100 billion in crypto, and XRP is positioned as the neutral bridge with 300 banks, 45 countries, 3 to 5 second settlement. This is crypto's legitimacy at the absolute highest level. Davos 2026 is the moment crypto went from fringe to mainstream. Trump, Brad Garlinghouse, BlackRock, Standard Chartered, all-time highs predicted, $8 XRP targets. This is history. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. But if you're bullish like I am, smash that like and subscribe. XRP at $1.90 with an $8 target. The future is being built right now. Let's go.